This is Keith and Patty with Sleepy Glen Farms. We are at Mother Earth News Fair Expo. And why are we here?
We are here because we wanted to come here. This is a great resource for any of you who are thinking about doing farming or homesteading. And we've met a lot of really nice people here. We've been able to network with other farmers that are, somewhat close to us or within a couple of hours of us. And we just got done watching how to brew mead like a Viking.
Yes, very exciting.
And we do brew our own mead, so we'll put out a video soon how you make mead and what the process is of that.
And we learned some new stuff that we didn't even know.
Yeah, what about the guineas?
Yeah, and we're also going to be introducing guineas to our farm. So this will be a good little shot and some information of what we did not know. And what we found out about the guineas is that we really like this. We're going to really try this, and it's going to help out our grasshopper population.
You're flipping the camera like this. You're talking. The grasshopper problem. Okay, we'll have to edit that out. Try to keep your hands still.
Okay. So we're going to try to enter the guineas into our on our farm. We found out a lot of information that we're very excited to know about. So we're going to, once we find a little bit more, we'll share more with you. But we are going to be welcoming guineas to our farm, right, Patty?
And they're going to be out there by the greenhouses in the garden, and so they'll be eating a lot of the insects.
Grasshoppers
mainly. We got a lot of crickets. I have tons of crickets inside the greenhouse.
Great.
Yeah, so we're wanting to add some guineas to the farm, and we also spoke to some people about a greenhouse.
Yes.
And they actually videotaped us, so they're gonna promote us. That's really cool. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, go ahead and subscribe now. It doesn't cost you anything. We're not gonna bug you, but we sure would like those numbers to reach up there to 1,000 so that we can start getting monetized.
Yep. And we will get some more information.
Okay, so if you look behind us, right here is Premier Greenhouse Kits, and we were talking to the folks there yesterday, and we're going to become an affiliate with them. So as soon as when we get ready to post this video up, we'll have a link for you down at the bottom to get a discount when you mention our name.
Yeah, real nice constructed greenhouses.
Oh, they were really good.
And he also has the solar vent that he's just come up with too. Don't know how good it works, haven't seen it yet, but he has it here on display. I guess it's supposed to be a solar powered vent where it gets to a certain temperature, it automatically opens up to the top of your greenhouse. So just little things to think about, but real nice constructed greenhouse.
Yeah, we're excited to become a member with them. And also right back here behind my head is Yardbird. We spoke to them yesterday, and they're offering, I don't know, for today.
$50 off.
No, it wasn't 50. For the plucker, they said if you use the code word MEN for Mother Earth News.
Yeah.
You'll get some dollars off. I think it's $450. And you can go online and order that. So we're going to do that when we get home.
Yeah, that's something we're going to be adding on to our farm. So just in case you wanted to know, it's there.
Yeah, so we'll let you know what else we find out here, okay?
All right, bye. Guys, we're back. We're about to finish our weekend at the show, the expo. We did go and find out more information about the guineas and more information about the bees. And we are going to add them on, and Patty's going to say what we found out.
Okay, so as far as the guineas go, they said that we should probably add a flock, and we're going to do that. A flock is about 10 to 12 guineas. We don't care if they're males or females or whatever, but we're going to add them to the back of the property, and then that way it'll help keep our grasshopper population down, and maybe they'll eat a lot of the bugs too that'll be in the garden. So we're excited to add that.
And they also have a little alarm system that they holler real loud when they see snakes, cats, feral animals, coyotes, whatever. They will alarm basically the whole property.
Yeah, and that'll be really good for us because we got a family of coyotes that are in the back of the property.
Yes.
So if they decide to come up near the property, the guineas, they'll scream and yell. Another thing about the guineas is we're going to have to train them. They said it won't take long, but we'll have to train them to come back in at night. And
Yep.
so you use some big long sticks, and we'll do a video on that of how we carouse them and we get them back into their
Home.
coop at
Coop.
night. Another thing we found out too is guineas don't like to be in the dark.
Yeah.
So we have to leave a light on for them.
You gotta
inside
have a
of their
light.
coop. Yeah.
Okay, and the bees.
And the bees. Okay, so it was quite interesting. We talked to a man, and he gave us a lot of information about the bees. We're definitely going to invest in a beehive. So when we get home this week, we're going to go ahead and get our order in, and we should get those probably in May.
May.
He said that one hive of bees will probably give us 20 to 30 pounds of honey
Per year, per harvest.
per year, and there won't be much that we have to do for them the first year. I think it's going to be pretty easy, but we'll see. Another learning adventure, but they will definitely be able to pollinate our garden, pollinate all the pecan trees. So
Yes.
we're really excited to do that too.
And we might even have, pecan honey, pecan flavored honey,
Ooh, yeah, that
because of
was-
our orchard.
That was really good too. We tasted the pecan honey and it was very, very good. So we're excited
Yeah.
about that too. So just a lot of new things that we're going to put in on the farm, and we're going to bring you along with us. So like I said, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you'll see us as we're implementing new things on the farm and building new stuff and bringing new animals in and just growing and really servicing our community and
Eating
our
well.
homestead. Eating better. Eating a lot
So
better.
the bees are going to be fun and exciting and new adventure for us, and we'll be needing a lot of Band-Aids. So anyways, we'll talk to you later more about this, and have a good evening.
Thanks. Bye.